Okay, ready? Okay. Kenny, um, K starts.
You don't got a lot of money.
Tati, what starts with a K?
Okay.
Kale. No one likes kale. And E, elephant. I like elephants actually, so pretend I never said elephant. Okay. What is your favorite Roblox game?
Oh, was that
One
Royal
that you.
High School? Was that Royal?
Oh my gosh, Tatiana. Okay. Royal High School. Yeah. That's what his is. He loves it so much. Can't you see? Wait. Let me just scroll down. Um. Uh. Look at his favorite game right there, Royal High School. It says it right there. You don't have to look twice. Okay, don't pause the video. Okay, creations. Let's see what kind of creations he got. Okay. The Outside World. I played that before, and it has a giant hot dogs everywhere, and no one likes. What are you encouraging us to kill pigs? You even have a penguin because penguins attack pigs. Then look at your hair. You have so much spikes, spiky hair thingies. I don't know. Tati, I need a roast. Um, okay. Okay, me neither. So he got only 861 followers.
Wearing red.
Wait, no, he's not wearing red. Okay.
You call yourself a red ninja, you know.
Yeah, you call yourself a red ninja. You're not. Stop typing to me, Kenny. You're not even red. You're not. You're black. Wait, that sounds so racist. Your clothing is black, and yeah, and your skin color is not even red, so.
And you call yourself a ninja.
Yeah, and you call yourself a ninja. Okay, let's see. There's no ninja things on you, Kenny, aka Kale. Stop typing to me.
Just saying. I gotta go get something for a second.
Okay. Sorry, my best friend she's gonna be back. Okay, so look at this chat. That means stop. Typing. Okay. Sorry. Look. Wait. He does not have. This does not say ninja. This says fake ninja. Fake ninja. Kenny. Fake red. Not even red ninja. Okay. And look at him. He joined 2013. 13. That is a really thing. That's like bad luck, Kenny. Okay. Now I have nothing else to say, so only this much friends. That just gave me bad. Couple years ago, I had these friends. Mr. Minecraft 198. He hates me now for some reason. I'm still friends with his sister. Kenny, you just hurt my feelings. You have the same numbers as my old friend. I'm gonna cry in a corner now. I gotta end this video for me to cry in a corner because there's no corners around me right now. I'm gonna click on no, I'm kidding, I would not do that. Bye, person in game. What game are you playing? Cat? You wish you had a cat. Okay, I'm sorry. Bye.